Hey y'all, it's almost time for the big game, and no food spread is complete without some homemade ranch dressing. I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest one, and let's get started. You're gonna start by mixing 3 main ingredients. Half a cup of buttermilk, and you can easily use whole milk instead of the buttermilk. Half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of mayonnaise. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. If the black pepper is on the fine side, just add a quarter teaspoon. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of dill, dry dill. If you're using fresh dill, you can use 2 teaspoons of fresh dill. It's great in the ranch dressing. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of dry parsley, half a teaspoon of chives, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley. At this point, I want you to use the whisk, mix the ingredients very well, and taste the dressing. You can add lemon juice, you can leave it out. I prefer to add just a little bit of lemon juice. I added about 1 tablespoon. You can add a little less. You can use vinegar, rice wine vinegar, or white vinegar if you don't have lemon juice. So taste and adjust to your liking, and if you like it to be a little thinner, you can add more buttermilk. For all the amounts and all the ingredients, look in the description box below. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!